climb inside the 2010 Nissan Altima. This four-door sedan still has less than 35,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.